Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you 10 best icon pack for Ubuntu OS running computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, here I'm not gonna show you how to install an icon pack on the respective Ubuntu computer. So I have already created a video on that part, so you can check the video descriptions on how to install the icon pack for Ubuntu computers. And all the icons which I'm going to show here, I'll be providing the respective icon pack download link in the video description, so you can click there and you can download all the icon packs that which I'm gonna show you in this video. So on the first list we have the college. So now you can see the icons of this icon pack. As you can see here, it looks stunning. So you can see this is the colored icon pack. So you can see all the applications icon styles. So this is the little square separate icon packs, but looks quite modern and very good looking also. So definitely you should try this icon pack. So on the second list we have the Deepin Icons 2022. So right now you can see the icons. So you can see here in the Ubuntu dock, this also looks very modern and stylish. So you can see here all the icons being applied. So you can see here it looks far modern and very stylish also. So it looks little classy look. So definitely a very beautiful looking icon pack that you should definitely try it in your Ubuntu computer. So on the third list we have the iDark. So now you can see the icon packs of the iDark icon pack. So you can see this is a circle separate mostly, and some icons are not in the circle separate. So you can see in the different, so looks very stylish too this also. So in my opinion you should definitely try this icon packs also in your Ubuntu computer. Now on the fourth list we have the fantasy icon pack. So now you can see the icon pack of this fantasy icons. So you can see here. So let me show you all the icons. So you can see here it also looks very stylish and modern. So you can see here. So in my opinion this is also very good looking icon pack that you should definitely try in your Ubuntu computer. Now on the fifth list we have the Fluent icon pack. So now you can see the Fluent icons being applied on my Ubuntu computer. So you can see here it also looks very stylish and very modern looking icon packs. And in my opinion I think this is also very good looking, just like earlier the Deepin Icons 2022. So in my opinion check it out by yourself. Now on the sixth number we have the Papyrus. So now you can see the icons of the Papyrus icon pack. So you can see here it looks little borderless, or you can see limitless icons which does not have any borders. So it shows of different style icons. So in my opinion it's also very good looking and modern looking icon packs that you should definitely give it a try. On the seventh number we have the Zafiro Circle icon pack. So now you can see here the entire icons are in the circle separate. So you can see here it's an icon pack of the Zafiro Circle icons. So it's also very good looking icon pack that you should give a try in your Ubuntu computer. So on the 8th number we have the Vimix icon pack. So now you can see the icons of the Vimix icon pack. So it also looks very good and modern, as you can see here, and very colorful also. So this is also very good looking icon packs that you should definitely give it a try in your Ubuntu computer. On the 9th number we have the Qio Gear. So now you can see the icons of the Qio Gear icon pack. So this also looks very stylish and very colorful, just like the earlier Vimix icon packs. So it also looks very modern and stylish and colorful too, that you should definitely give it a try in your Ubuntu computer. On the 10th number we have the Tela icon pack. So now you can see the icons of the Tela icon pack. So this also looks very stylish and very modern. So here it has a different style looking like a circle, some are in the different shapes like in the square, and some are without any borders, that is you can see a borderless. So you should definitely give a try this too in your Ubuntu computer. So these are all the 10 best icon pack for Ubuntu operating system running computer that you should definitely give it a try in your Ubuntu running computer. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.